They say life begins at the edge of your comfort zone. My mom, she lives that truth, and somehow, she passed it on to me. We didn't have much growing up, but she still found ways to show us the world. Camping across BC, a trip to California, and sunburnt days in Mexico. She even came to Quebec as a chaperone when I was 11 and later nudged me towards an exchange in Paris. She saw the world in me before I did. But some dreams had to wait. While raising 3 kids with my dad, hers were put on hold. So for her 60th birthday, it was my turn to dream big for her. We flew to Turkey, purposefully straying from tour buses. We rented a car, got lost, got found, drank tea with strangers who didn't speak a word of English, and laughed harder than we had in years. I kept thinking if it weren't for her, I would have had a completely different life. But she always whispered of wider horizons, even when we were just setting up tents in our front yard. She always hinted of a life filled with travel when she got closer to retirement, and later I found out that Turkey was at the top of her list. She was the one who told me to take my first job as a lifeguard. Step out there, she said. Over those summers, I learned more about responsibility, awkward tan lines, and growing up than I could have ever expected. Then came university. While others chased safe jobs, Mom pushed me to chase adventure. China, she said. Now that's something. I lived 8 years in Asia because she supported my journey. I taught in Shanghai, volunteered in orphanages, and made memories I'll never forget. All because Mom believed I could. And now, watching the sunrise with her in a hot air balloon over Cappadocia, it hit me. She never stopped showing me the world. She just handed me the map. At 60, she's fearless and alive, exactly who she's always been. And I finally got to give her a piece of what she gave me. From Istanbul's crowded streets to her hang gliding with strangers, to every tea break, traditional meal, and wrong turn, to Mom. The best gift she ever gave me wasn't the world, it was the courage to explore it. And the best gift I could ever give her, bringing her dream full circle. Because when you plant seeds of adventure in your kids, one day they grow into roads that lead right back to you. So all the drone content that you just saw was shot on the DJI Mini 3 with a ND filter attached to it. Again, no D-Log is available on this camera, so I was just able to color grade Rec 709 in post. This video is super special for me because it's not every day that you get to make a video for a loved one, and creators like Sam Newton have helped me kind of realize that yes, there's business and brands and you got to keep a roof over your head and pay the bills. But at the end of the day, this is also artistic expression, and the ability to gift someone something this valuable is so cool. This year I lost my grandma and my grandpa, and when I was going to make those films about their life, I was realizing, yes, they're from a different generation, but there wasn't so much content available for them. So I think we are blessed in that way. I'm just very fortunate that I was able to go on this trip with my mom and then make something from it. So anyways, that was it. The other gear I used for this video was the Osmo Action 4 and then also the Sony a7 IV. So yeah, if you were curious, that's it. We'll see you in the next video. Lots more to come in 2026. Peace.